So now let's see how we can work around with freeze frame with motion inside of guided edit mode. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around under guided right here, and over here you can see that create a freeze frame with motion title is an option right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, you can see that add media is an option, and you can go around and choose media source. So I'm just going to go around onto files and folders right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and select out, let's say for example, this footage right here, and click on open. So once I do that, it says add this onto video 1. So let's just go around and add it onto video 1 right here. And it says learn how to freeze the moment. And add a fun motion to the title. So let's just go around and click on next right here, and it says move the playhead to the place where you want the motion title to begin. So right around over here, and I'm going to click on next. So it says open text titles and text right here. So it says drag in a template. So let me just go around and drag in this template right here, just like this. And it says choose a template, drag and drop it to the playhead right here. So let's just go around and do that out right here. Click and select. So there's some error right here, so you can see that I need to go around over here, and it says drop it out right here, just like this. So now it says this. So to select the background of the title, click on the highlighted area. So it says click on the highlighted area. Then I'm going to go to background image right here and choose freeze frame right here. So once I do that, you can see that I actually get this out right here. So click on the drop down menu and select freeze frame right here, just like this from the list. Click on next over here, and it says type in the desired text. So let's just go around over here and type in, let's say for example, TutorTube right here, just like this. So TutorTube is there, and on the subtext I'm going to go around and say keep on watching right here, just like this. And over here, I'm going to go around under date right here, and I'm going to go around and say education, just like this. So let's say this is what I have, and let me just go around and reduce out the size right here, or increase out the size right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say 30 right here, and this is what I have. So I'm going to go around and click on next right here, and it says click the play button to see the results. So let's just go around and press the play button. And this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and freeze frame. And then it continues, as you can see right here. So that is how you can freeze frame with motion title inside of guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.